hot it is in Texas. Woo! Ooh.
I could go without riding in Texas for the rest of the summer. Put me
Ice cold water to go on you. Oh. Oh, it's about to go down up in here. It's about to go down. Back in Texas, and it is 100 degrees. Oh my gosh! It was 55 degrees back in South Dakota. We're back in Texas and it's 100 and it's getting hotter. ice cold water to go on you. Oh. Mm. All right. There we go. If y'all know where we headed, let me know below in the comments. We're the first place we check out when we go to Harley. Yo, we knew it was hot. Oh, my feet are stuck to the ground. It's so hot. It's so hot in Texas, y'all. Damn ground. That's my footprint right there. We knew it was hot in Texas, y'all, but we didn't know it was this hot. No, we knew it was this hot. But damn, we've been spoiled these last couple of days. And that good old weather. I don't even care. I'm just wet all over. Oh, that shit feels so good. Oh. Okay, let's ride. We done made it back to Texas. To this heat. When I tell y'all, this is how cold, hot it is in Texas. Woo! Oh, yes. Mm. That feels so good. Oh, that feels so good. Got about 45 miles left. It's so hot, I ain't even been recording. It's so hot. Woo! Oh, feels so good. So, we're almost to our next destination for the night, which is Lubbock. And then after that, we get up early in the morning, hitting the road to get home, so we don't have to deal with this heat tomorrow. So, I'll keep y'all posted. You still might get you some what?
Some motherfucking nutritious noodles, man. You know that sodium put all that sweat we just lost back in your body.
Shit! Eat that shit, man.
I could go without riding Texas for the rest of the summer. Put me in any state that's above Texas, and we'll be Gucci. But right now, we feel like we ain't from here.
You know why? Because we've been gone for about a week. How many? We've been gone for 7, 8, 9, 10 days. I don't even know.
Well, we're gonna have 80-degree weather, like yeah.
We've been spoiled for the last few days, and we come back here and it's like boom, TKO, knockout, bitch. Oh, or he can punch me in my head. It's okay, either one. We tired, we hot, we hungry. We about to figure it out. This is our room for the night. Yes. Oh Lord. We made it home. And it's hot. Shit! But we made it. Hope y'all enjoyed what y'all have seen. Oh my gosh, this has been an adventure. But we made it home. That's all that matters. Woohoo! Home sweet home. We made it back. Thank you, Jesus. Until a few hours ago.